Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Look, if you guys like this video and you find it helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button really quickly. Disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic and this is me just fixing my own car to save a lot of money. I decided to make this video to share with you how easy it is to change the fuel pump on this specific car. I believe the years that are covered with this car is about 2015 to 2019. I know most Hyundais and Kias are similar, but some things may vary. I tried to find a video of my specific car with the fuel pump being changed, but I did not find anything with my specific car, so let's get started. Originally, I took my car to Hyundai to be checked, and they told me that the fuel pump was out and that the part would cost about $600 and labor would be upwards of $1,400. I flipped out. I told them that I would not be fixing my car with them and that $2,000 was too much. So, checking some YouTube videos, I saw a few videos and I saw that it seemed rather easy to replace the fuel pump by myself. So I decided to buy the whole fuel pump assembly. I found it online on eBay for about $75 from another car. The seller seemed like a reputable person and had good feedback and reviews. He also offered a 90-day warranty, and if anything was wrong with it, he claimed that he had tested it and it was working, and he would offer me a refund. The car that it came from was completely crashed in the front, and so I think that there was no way that the fuel pump could have been damaged. The next piece that I ordered was that fuel pump unlock tool. The part that was sent to me, it was not the correct size, so I had to improvise, and you'll see that in the video, but it still worked and I was able to complete the job. I made some notes in one of the pictures about how to remove the back seat and what screws and a tie down to look for when removing the fuel pump cover. So, once you have removed the back seat, I personally use the back seat to kneel down on outside of the car while working. Once those screws were taken out, the black cover was removed, and I unplugged the wires from the fuel pump. Next, I began working with the unlock tool. As I previously mentioned, the tool was not the right size, but I still managed. I saw in some other videos that some of the fuel pumps had connecting hoses or cables inside of the fuel pump. My specific one did not have anything, so I was able to pull it out rather quickly just by spinning it in the right direction, and I was very careful not to break that little arm that was attached. Reinstalling it was very easy. I just repeated the steps that I took from uninstalling it in reverse. Towards the end, I had my nephew who was with me watching how simple the repair was, and I let him screw down the fuel cover, and he helped me put it back together with the bottom seat. Very quickly, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching again, and this is my first video, so please forgive me for any mistakes. My car was successfully repaired. The fuel pump problem is fixed, and my car is working normally.